bucket by the dock lived a frog so bold. Jeremiah was his name, and his heart was pure gold. With eyes wide as the moon and a skin bright green, he'd croak through the night. Oh, he made quite the scene. Jeremiah, Jeremiah, sing ye loud and high. Climb the tallest tree, may reach up to the sky. When the winds do howl and the seas do rage, Jeremiah the brave saves the pirate sage. The skies turned dark and the winds did blow. A hurricane was coming, the waves crashed below. The pirate captain's home, she began to creak, but Jeremiah stood tall, he was not weak. Jeremiah, Jeremiah, sing ye loud and high. Climb the tallest tree, may reach up to the sky. When the winds do howl and the seas do rage, Jeremiah the brave saves the pirate sage. He climbed up high to the highest limb. The storm it wailed, but not louder than him. With a voice so clear, he sang to the storm, "You won't take this ship, not in any form." The hurricane raged, but Jeremiah stood tall, singing his song. He gave it his all. The storm broke apart, the winds did flee. Thanks to Jeremiah, the captain was free. Jeremiah,